We're in Houston, Texas, for World Hydrogen North America 2025, brought to you by World Hydrogen Leaders, now part of S&P Global. My name is Brian Murphy. I'm the head of hydrogen research here at S&P Global Commodity Insights, and I'm joined here by Matteo from FRIEM. Thank you so much for joining me today, Matteo. I think it'd be good to just start off with an overview of FRIEM and your products and what you do in the hydrogen space.
Yeah, at FRIEM, we are a rectifier manufacturer, so power converters for different industrial applications, including, of course, green hydrogen. So whatever you have an electrolyzer, any technology, alkaline, PEM, or solid oxide, you need stable and high-efficient power supply. That's where we comes in.
And FRIEM has a long history in this market, is that correct?
Yeah, we were founded in the 1950s, so this year we celebrate a remarkable milestone, 75 years old in the market, and we've been built on innovation and expertise in this field for a while.
And do you operate? Where do you focus your operations in terms of regions?
So we have our headquarters in Milan, where we have our main manufacturing, but we also have branches and offices globally. We have 5 branches in Brazil, Indonesia, US, of course, Chile and Germany. And we also have a company named Dynamp in Columbus, Ohio, that manufactures high accuracy DC metering system, where we also have a small manufacturing of our products as FRIEM.
So around the world, you must have a wide variety of the kinds of projects that you service. How do you work with customers in that sort of variability and the kinds of projects they're trying to deliver?
Yeah, so our approach, that is honestly something that might differentiate us from others, is to work with our customers. We like to consider them more as a partner to provide the best solution for their requirements, so the best solution that fits a specific application. So we offer a very broad and wide range of products using different technologies, and we customize it as much as possible based on our customer requirements. So we follow their technical specification, we follow their preference, and we try not to push necessarily for one single technology or one single product, because we know that every plant and their application are different, and we have to adapt to them. It's not the opposite. That's not how we work.
And I assume one of the key points of that adaptability or optimization is around system sizing. Is that an area where FRIEM products can be flexible as well?
Yeah, definitely. We have, again, different solutions for different sizes, and depending on the size of the electrolyzer, the size of the plant, we can offer one technology or the other, and one solution or the other, because we think that for each size of units or for each size of plant, there is an optimal design. There is that improves the efficiency, the reliability, and the performances of our equipment and the overall plant. So that's what we try to do when we design a unit or some equipment.
Yeah. Well, we want to thank you for coming to World Hydrogen North America 2025, and maybe if we could hear from you, your outlook on the market over the next couple of years. I sense maybe potentially some optimism for growth and for FRIEM's products.
We are a European company, and we see that in Europe there is still a lot of traction and momentum around green hydrogen. In America, the market and green hydrogen business has been a little bit slower in the last couple of years, but the feeling that we're getting from events like this or talking with our customers or other stakeholders is that there is a moderate optimism, and we think that things are gonna look better in the next couple of years.
Okay, well, we appreciate that outlook, and this has been an interview with Matteo from FRIEM, and thank you very much for joining us here again at World Hydrogen North America 2025.